Okay, let's get this started. So yeah, we have a buy on BTC, and this is why. No, we had a sale last week. We had a sale, which was I really hope you guys can hear me, Sha. I really hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, you should be able to hear me, Sha. Yeah, go on. So we had a sale last week. Let me show you the sale. This is the sale from last week. So I hope you still remember our pattern. That's the internal liquidity. This is the structural liquidity. Then we have the transactional liquidity here. So this trade I've actually done 2-1. Yeah, I did 2-1 that day. Yes. Yeah, it did. It has already done. It has already done 3 safe. So the trade played out. We already had a 3R here. Now we are buying. Why are we buying? This trade was just because of momentum. That's why I took this trade. But this buy is legit. Is a legit buy. Why do I say it's a legit buy? Because one, remember our pattern. I think I dropped it on my X page that we buy from discount. We buy from discount, which is this. We buy from discount. We buy from discount. I hope you can see the. That's our transactional liquidity. Transactional liquidity, our internal liquidity, then our point of interest, then our buy order, and our this one will be here. We target it 2-1 or 3-1, as the case may be. She get. So this trade now. So what's discount? Then discount is the lower part of this arrow. That's our discount area. Then this side, this upper part, the above the 50%, that's our premium. So we buy from discount, then we sell from premium. And the other way around, if you are let's say it's a sell trade. So it's a sell trade. So it's a sell trade. Let's say it's a sell trade. This thing I'm not supposed to be going. I'm not supposed to be going back to it, but so that you guys will understand, because I'm recording this video and I will drop it for you people to understand. Like I promised, I was going to teach you how to actually trade. not all this woo that you see online, get rich quick scheme and all those stuff. No, we don't do that here. We trade like professionals here, like people that will someday manage billions of naira. Like people that will someday manage billions of naira. So when we carry our Finabushi too, we sell from premium, then buy from discount. Do we get that now? So let's delete this. Let's delete it. So our first trade for the week, which is BTC, we got a buy setup on BTC, which is this setup here. One, is this setup clear enough? As you can see, we have our transactional liquidity taken here. Then we have our internal liquidity. Then there is a structural liquidity taken here. It even broke above this eye here. This eye here, there's a close above it. So this our trade is valid. Now, according to our discount, our discount and premium. So we go to the high time frame to go and see what's actually happening. So this is the high time frame. What's actually happening? As you can see, when we use our fib tool from here, our setup is still in the discount zone. It's still in the discount zone. Let me just represent it by D. Let me just represent it by D. It's still in the discount zone, not this premium zone here. Assuming our setup is here now, we might not take it. Do you get it? I hope you get it now. Why we are taking this first trade. So now on BTC USD, we have our trade. We have a trade of BTC USD that I've actually placed the limit order already. It's just for it to go and we make money. Then I'm targeting a 1 to 3R. 1 to 3R. But when it gets 1 to 2, I will see it depends on the volume. It depends on the volume. Do you get it now? I hope you are still with me, Sha. Yeah, I hope you are still with me. So let's go to another this thing. We are done with. So this is how I look for trade. After you go to the low time frame, you look for your structure, the normal structure we trade, that Quasimodo structure. Then you confirm it on the higher time frame. Basics. That's just it. If you know day, you know day. If you day, you day. And as you can see, like for like the past 2 weeks now, we've not been seeing a lot of setups because the market is slow and stuff like that. It's not always like that. Like last year now, sometimes I might see like 6-7 setups in a week. But because of the PA that we have presently, everything is actually just slow. So do we have a trade here? Do we have a structure here? No. I can't see any structure. No liquidity was taken, really. No liquidity was taken. So we move to the next one. No, not if you know day, you know day. If you day, you day. This trade, it was okay. It was earlier. I just saw this trade. It's basically because I was busy all through last week. I was with my relocation and everything. That's why I did not see this trade. This one did 1 to 3, a very soft 1 to 3 trade, but we missed it. We move on. Do we have any trade now? Do you have any trade presently? Do we have any trade? No, because we can't find any pattern. Any of our pattern is not showing. What do we do? We move to the next one. I marked this out because this was, let me see if it's still, as you can see now, this thing is still in the discount listing, but it has gotten to 50%, so it's not really sure again. So what do? We move on to the next one. I hope you see how I do my analysis now. No going up, no going down, no nothing. If it's there, it's there. If it's not there, we move on. I only do this setup, looking for setup twice a week. That's on Sunday, then on Wednesday, because I feel on Wednesday now price would have moved to my distance. I know. Is there a setup here? No. Move to the next one. What about here? Now a setup might be forming, but I'm actually looking for this eye to be properly taken. It looks like just a sweep. Doesn't really look like a setup like that. It might play out, it might not. Let me see. I'm trying to check if okay. It's actually still at a discount, but the structure is not really there. There's really no break. My issue is this place. My issue is this place, this close here. It's not really a close above. It looks like just sweeping then coming down. So there's every tendency that this will be taken out. Except price now comes, maybe just now did something like this. Before coming back, yeah, we cannot take it. But now it's not really a valid setup. Even if it will play out, this might actually, it will take this definitely. It will take this before it will play out, but it will definitely take this. Or it might now decide that okay, let me create a sell setup here. But for now, do we have a setup? No. And what do we do when we don't have a setup? We move. I hope you get it now. So let's go to the third one. So now I'm doing all this for free because one, trading is hard already. To teach you, I can teach you for free, but mentorship, and I don't really take mentorship like that because of the stress that is involved. If you pay me to do something now, I will have to sit down with you, and it's just a lot of stress. This trade, why did we lose this trade? As you can see, price has already gotten to our discount and we are selling. Instead of assuming this setup was here, that it didn't extend to this place, this setup would have played out. But because it has already extended here, I think I was explaining something for someone. That's why it's here. I didn't take this trade. So, do we have a setup? No, I really don't want this thing to be long. I really don't want it to be long. Let me see. Okay, we still have time. So is there a setup here? No, there's no valid setup. What do? We move. Now this one now, let's see. Is there on the lower time frame? As you know, in this my trading this thing, I don't go lesser than 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame to look for trades. And here, there's really no setup here too. But if there is a case whereby we have a break to the upside, maybe something like this. and it breaks this eye here, this eye is broken, then this will be a valid setup. It will be a valid setup. But for now, bar setup no day. Do we get it? I hope we are getting it. I hope we are getting it. Then this, do we have a setup? I think I have a setup on this. Yeah, yeah. There's a setup. There's a setup somewhere here, but it's not really a valid setup like that. Like I'll put it. It's not really a valid setup like that. But it's what maybe 1 to 2. Just take 1 to 2, because one, there's a transactional liquidity here. There's a transactional liquidity that was taken somewhere here. As you can see, there's a transactional liquidity here. Then after that, before we break up, we created an internal liquidity before we broke to the upside, and there's actually a big break to the upside. It's not like taking liquidity. It's actually a break. It's actually a break. So yeah, this is actually a valid setup. I'll drop this on the group, but just try and risk minimally. This thing I'm doing now, it's checking the volume where there is a lot of trading activities, occur. And as you can see, this blue line, this white line, there's a lot of trading activity here. That's why there is a what's it called? There is this consolidation here, because there's a lot of trading activities going on there. We might, maybe tomorrow, when there is this, we might actually see a trade from here. I don't know yet, but it's possible. Let me see. If you look at this, liquidity was taken. There's a transactional liquidity. There's a transactional liquidity here that was taken. There's an internal liquidity. But, and this, there's a break here. But there's a but. This trade now, assuming this low was broken, it would have been easier. Let's say it would have been a very sweet sell, but because it wasn't broken, it's a very risky trade. It's a very, very risky trade. Let me see something. It's a very risky trade. It's still a risky trade, actually. Then I'll check on the higher time frame to see the position. You will see, if price ever gets here, it's probably going to take this before coming down. It's probably going to take it before coming down. It's probably going to. Let's see. Probably going to. There's a probability. There's every probability to take it. I hope you are getting it now. This in trading, what we do basically is manage time frame. I said manage time frame. Manage our losses. We try to make sure our losses are smaller than our wins. And this now, this now is just, it's just a consolidation. It's not really, assuming this low was broken, yeah, it would have been a valid trade. But let's see. Let me check something. Let me check something. You see, it's not really clear. It's odd, especially this place. It's not clear. So there's any tendency that this one will just be taken out, and let's see the higher time frame. I hope you are getting it now. We are going off. Was okay. Okay. As you can see, this trade like this is still, in what's it called? It's in the middle. It's not in discount. It's not. It's in a middle area whereby anything can happen at that point. It might get taken out. I'm talking about this sell here. I'm talking about this sell here. It establishes a fact that okay, we'll take the buy. That will take the buy, but this sell, the sell on the lower time frame here is not a trade that is worth risking. It's not a trade that is worth risking like that. It's not clear, and that's how you get taken out for fun. You get it. Let me just. I will give an update on it, but I'm not taking it. It's not a valid trade for me, but I'll give an update. Even if it will just go college, maybe one to two or something. But it will definitely take this. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. So moving on. So we have a valid buy setup. Already. Moving on to the next one. I just want to record only 30 minutes. 30 minutes, and we are in 25 minutes already. Okay, let me try and do, if you can, let me try and do like two more. This is GBP USD. This trade, it's it's a scalp trade, but I'll take it too. I'll definitely take this. And why am I taking it? One, the volume is basically here. There's volume here. So there's a tendency that we'll get a 2-to-1 here. At least 2-to-1 ratio here. And on the higher time frame, as you can see, we're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend. We're in an uptrend. In an uptrend. So that's why I'm taking it. I'm expecting this high to be taken. Then I think if you look to the left, the trade is actually risky. But I'll just risk it with small money, sha. I'll risk it. Or let's just cancel it. Let's just cancel it. It's not a valid trade. Let's just cancel it. One, we at premium. What do we do at premium? We only sell at premium. And we have a buy setup here. So this trade now is not valid. It's not valid. Moving on to this, let's go to another one. Do we have a trade? Actually, we'll go to lower the 4 hours before hours time frame to go and look for the pattern if it's there. I think there's a trade here. It was when I was analyzing, I just figured it out. But it will definitely, but even if it will do, maybe highest 2-1, but it will drop. It will drop. Is there a setup here? There's a setup here. Uh yes. There's a valid setup here. There's a valid setup here because one, we are at premium and we are selling, and as you can see, but this trade is also risky. Why? This low wasn't taken out. Assuming this low was taken, it would have been a soft sell. But I'm still skeptical because of this low that is not taken out. There's, I'm skeptical about it. There's every tendency that it will just take us out. But yeah, it's actually a trade I'm looking up to. I'm looking forward to. It's a trade I'm looking forward to. Trade I'm looking forward to. Let's see how it plays out. Only is 1 to 2. It will give us. So I hope you get it now. That's how I do my thing. Give me the card. What do you say? So that's it, guys. I hope I'll be able to impart knowledge and actually show you how I do my trading analysis and all. Do we get it? There might be a trade here, but first, this eye has to be actually taken out. This eye has to be taken out. So I will check on it tomorrow and see how it does. You get check on it and see how it goes. Yeah, there's a Euro USD. Let's see it together. Let's see what's up with it together. Because you can see there's a trade there, but is it valid? Let's see what's up. We are bullish. As you can see, we are bullish. We are bullish. Yeah, I will take this one too. I'll take this buy. I'll look to take this buy. So I will send everything to the group, Sha. I'll look to take this buy. I've been eyeing it since last week actually. They should tap me into this week before Wednesday, Sha. Before Wednesday. And why am I taking it? If you will ask me. One, the structure is clear. Our structure is very clear. We have internal liquidity taken. We have a transactional liquidity taken. We have our structural liquidity taken here. We have our internal liquidity. There's a break to the upside. And if you check in our volume profile, you can see that the volume this thing is what's it called? The strength of the volume that pushed this, it's actually around this place. So this trade is a legit trade that I will be taking. How many trades have we found like that, Seth? I'm supposed to be screenshotting this thing. So. Uh, so we have this. This is one. Uh, which other one did you get? What was this invalid self? Let me check. What was this invalid? Because we are in a downtrend. Well, if you look at it, as if you should take this, I'll take this cell. I'll take this cell. No, wait first. Let me see something. I've done pass. This is why on this hour time frame we are in. Yes, we are in a downtrend, but there's an issue, which is we are in a discount area. And what do we do in discount? We buy. But now we've tapped the 50%, so there's every tendency that trade will play out. So we have a trade here too. We have a trade here. I'm going to be taking this trade. I will screenshot it and drop it on the group now. I'll screenshot it and drop it on the group now. Let me delete this invalid more possible. So guys, this trade is valid. We have our structure, then our point, our high time frame story matches up. But okay, yeah, I think there's an issue. Yes, there's an issue. The issue is there's another setup up here. Yes, there's another setup here. As you can see, there's a structural liquidity, there's internal liquidity too. So I think that's why I disbanded this trade. But then I'll still take it. Let me just screenshot it. I'll be taking this trade. I'll be taking this trade. Let me screenshot it. So you see, I filter. It's just about scale of preference. Is it worth it? Is the trade worth risking your money? Is it worth it? If it's worth it, then why not? Just go for it. And when you are into it, you know that okay, the money I'm putting here, you see now that this volume profile is actually here. So I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take this trade. I'm so going to take this trade. So I'm going to take this trade. Which one do we have again? Let's see. Is this... What's the problem with this one? Okay, we are in discount, but this low wasn't taken out. This low isn't taken out. This low isn't taken out. But seems legit though. What's the take on this? But this is not taken out. Should we risk it or not? Should we risk it or not? We already have two trades that are genuine. Let's see. Let's see how it plays out. Let me see the higher time frame. Let me see the story it's giving us. So okay, as you can see, we're in a downtrend. In a downtrend. But the problem is we're basically in consolidation here. We're basically in a consolidation phase here because the down part has not been broken. So is this trade worth it? No, it is not. It might play out. Yeah, definitely. It's possible it plays out, but is it worth my money? No. It's not, the story is not clear. Story is not clear. Assuming, but if possible, if you check it out, this low was taken out. This low is taken. This low get taken out tomorrow or something. This low, but on a condition that, it didn't cross this. It's not crossing this. Yeah, it will be valid. So which other trade have we found? Which other trade? This GBP USD, are we taking it or not? We're already taking Euro USD. Okay, I think we are taking this. We are taking this. I hope you get it like this, so and if you don't get them, now you sabi, because I've tried my best. So you shouldn't be wasting money on just random trades. It has to be intentional. Whatever you are trading you can't just jump on trades, and you have to sit down and actually do your analysis and actually see, is this worth my money? Am I going to risk it? It's just about managing and mitigating risk. You get it? We have how many this thing already? We have about four trades already. So I'll do my personal analysis after cutting this trade. After cutting this live video, I'll check the remaining. I don't want this thing to be too much. That's why I'm just cutting it like this. But I think we've done more than an hour safe. We've done more than 30 minutes that I initially planned. And in that one, we were able to actually get 1, 2, 3, 4 trading ideas that we can actually risk our money on. Do we get it now? That we can actually risk our money on. And if you do this, even if it's 2 to 1 and everything plays out, or even if it's 2 that plays out there, we'll still be able to actually make money. That's 2, that's 4, and we lose 2. We are going to lose 2%. Then we'll still be able to make 2% on our account. Do you get it now? So thank you for joining the live, and this video will be available on YouTube for you to actually watch and go over it. Sit down and go over it. See the way I do it. Don't just go and waste money and donate money. And as you can see, it's not a get rich quick scheme. It requires patience and everything. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and have a very nice week.